Hello, we will see next topic, that is walls in pipe engineering. Professor name is Prashant Ningole, Datta Baker Engineering, IIT. First, we will see what are the learning objectives. In learning objective, by the end of this presentation, we will able to see state the purpose of the walls in the process system, describe the following types of walls: check walls, relief wall, safety walls, shut-off walls, and control walls. Identify the following wall and what are the importance of this wall, how they are operating, that is plug wall, ball wall, butterfly wall, and describing of some body styles which enables more than the flow path. So complete description of this wall we'll see here. Topic wise, first introduction. What is the walls? Walls are devices that control the flow of fluids or gas to the piping system. We are using the walls only for not for the fluids, also for the gases. In chemical industry, gases are one of the most very much important components. The walls are made up of wide variety of materials for compactability to the fluids flowing through it. Now, material of construction walls, it should be compactable with the fluid. If you are using a H2SO4 as a liquid and we are using a stainless steel, that H2SO4 completely dissolve the stainless steel, so it is not compact. That walls, stainless steel walls are not compactable for H2SO4, so variety of material to be used for the compactability of the fluid flowing through it. Walls are classified into 2 or 3 types. First, mainly if it is an on-off wall, its only function is to on the flow or off the flow, to open completely or close completely. These walls cannot be used for the regulating purpose. Now, one wall cannot be used for the two functions, that is for on-off as well as regulating in general type of wall. These are the gate wall, ball wall, plug wall, and three-way wall. We will see one by one. Gate wall, these are used for the on-off purpose. Whatever is the municipality pipeline you are seeing in your city, they are using this wall, gate wall, for opening or closing the water supply. They are not controlling the flow rate. Their main aim is to turning the hand wheel which is attached to the wall. The partially open gates causes turbulence. This turbulence not only causes a piping damage, there is water hammer, we call it the cavitation. It also wear the disc and seat surface. It may bend the disc surface or seat surface, due to which if you use this gate wall for the controlling purpose, that wall after some days it started leaking because of the wearing of the disc and seat surfaces. These are the various diagrams of the gate wall. Here we can see this is the seat of this gate wall. When you are rotating the wheels, stem of this gate wall, these are moving in the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. It moves in the upper portion and water starts flowing through this wall. If you keep it at half side, if you are using this gate wall for the controlling purpose, the pressure of this liquid coming through it, it may bend this stem. If it bends, it will not fit here properly. So we are not using this wall for the controlling purpose. This is only used for the on-off purpose. These are the internal parts of these gate walls, how it operates. This is the body of this gate wall, right? Next, what is consist of rising stem, hand wheel and stem rising when opening. Now, this wall stem, there are 3 types of stem in gate wall. Generally, when you are seeing in our general day-to-day life, these are the rising stem. Here, the hand wheels and stem are rising when opening. When you open this wall, these stems are moving upward direction or downward direction. Non-rising stem, you are rotating the wheel, but this is not increasing the stem height. This type of non-rising stem, it is useful in the chemical industry, where the pipes are very close to each other and there is no space for the rising the stem or closing the stem. So we are using a non-rising stem valve in the chemical engineering pipeline. And third one is the outside screw and yoke pipeline. Here steam rises to the hand wheel while opening, and the steam, one of the most important part of this valve is the stem does not contact the fluid. स्टेम का कोई कांटेक्ट नहीं फ्लूइड के साथ में, so that this valve is suitable for the corrosive liquid. Once if his stem is contact with the corrosive liquid, your stem may get damaged. In the rising stem or non-rising stem, the stem is get damaged by using the corrosive fluid, but in outside screw and yoke valve, it does not get damaged. These are the valve stem. Here is the rising stem. When you rotate this one, it will move in the upward direction. This is the non-rising stem, moving in the at one place only. Here we will not see any rising one, and this is a OS and YS type of stem. Next valve is the ball valve. Ball valve, as its name indicates, it consists of ball. Here you can easily see the ball. In one side is a hole and other side is a pack one. Is a ball with a hole for flow through it, matching the pipe size. जितना आपका पाइप साइज है उतने साइज का होल रहता है, so that there is no turbulence in here, no pressure drop is get obtained. But this type of ball is again used as a on-off valve, not a controlling valve, only to on the flow. And one of the advantage of this valve, quarter to turn. To open completely, just you have to open quarterly. In previous valve, gate valve, you have to open 3 to 4 threads, which is very difficult for the female candidate to open the valve. Here it is very simple one, and design is very simple one. Only a ball which has holes as the size of the pipe. Same one is the plug valve. Generally this type of valve you have seen in your tap. This is again quarter to turn, and here it consists of step. When you rotate this one, here the flow starts, and this is the only part, plastic part is here, or we can use the silicone part, so that this part is only comes in contact with the liquid and it does not get damaged. Because in the plastic it get damaged within 2 to 3 months. When you are saying that certain company, they are providing the warranty of 10 years or 15 years, so they are using here the plug of a silicone plug, so that the warranty of that valve should be around 10 to 15 years. Next one is the three-way valve. Here the importance of this valve is to move the flow in the 3 directions, here like this or like this. Generally this type of valve we are using in our shower system or mixer in your bathroom, multi-port plug valve. This is again on-off type of valve. Up till now we are seeing only the on-off type of valve. One is the gate valve, ball valve, plug valve and three-way valve. These are the 4 examples of our various on-off type of valve. Now second type of valve is that regulate the flow. Now to control the flow rate is one of the important parameter in the chemical industry. In general purpose we are using the on-off, but in chemical industry we require to regulate the flow. To control the flow rate we are using the globe valve, butterfly valve and diaphragm valve. Globe valve it is look like same like the gate wall, but internal part of this gate wall is different than that of the gate wall. Here is the seat, and we are providing the water moving through this. Is the inlet of this water. When it moves upward direction, it will throttle the flow. It will not complete open the flow. Here is the diagram. When you are closing this, here this stem will be fixed here. Once you are opening it, here the flow is moving down. Depending on this shape, this one is the shape is here. Depending on this shape, we can control the flow rate.